Hello, my dear juniors. I am Shubh Bhattacharya from Medical College, Kolkata, and welcome you all in Make Medical Easy. Today is the discussion of the result of the weekly quiz 01, and I want to first discuss the questions. So let's start without any wasting of time. So the first question, the pacemaker potential is due to. It's very easy question, and the answer will be the decreasing the K plus. The potassium permeability is the right answer. Okay. Then there is one question related to the essential drug. So which is one essential drug? The drug with that meet the priority of the healthcare needs of the population. It's called essential drug. Okay. Now coming to the next question, it is the about the O0 phase of the AC node potential, and what is the main actual the channel which opens, and the channel will be the calcium channel L type. Now coming to the next question, which is the orphan drug. The orphan drug is actually to treat the rare disease. Rare disease, to treat the rare disease, you have to use the orphan drug. Okay. Okay. So the next question will be the transdermal delivery system. It's actually all there are advantage except there is one except word is there. So they produce high peak of plasma concentration of the drug. This is the wrong statement regarding to the transdermal delivery system. Okay. Next question regarding to the SA node, which is the one of the result of the hypokalemia of SA nodal cells. So decrease the rate of depolarization and leading to the early after depolarization and arrhythmia. This is the result of hypokalemia in the SA nodal cells. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is actually regarding to the cellular adaptation, and which of the following statement is about the cellular adaptation is correct? It's correct. The answer will be the atrophy is defined as the decreasing the number of the cell, which is actually the wrong statement. Sorry, it is about the right statement. Okay, atrophy means the decreasing of the size. So next question will be there. This is actually what is the common cause of the cell injury? The common cause of cell injury is the hypoxia. Okay, and the next question will be on there the physiological atrophy. One of the example is physiological. There is diffuse atrophy, degeneration, malnutrition. They are not the example of the physiological atrophy. Okay, physiological atrophy is seen in the case of thymus. Now coming to the next, which is false about the clavicle. The false about the clavicle is the common fracture in the junction of medial 1/3 and lateral 2/3 is the most easy question of this quiz. I think so. Now the next question will be which border is the scapula is not palpable? This is the lateral border. Okay. Now coming to the next question, superior angle of the scapula lies at the level of T2. Next, the electrodes and the leads are the same thing. The answer will be no. They are not same thing. How many actual the lead system electrodes contain 12 bead system? So the answer will be 10. There is the next question. Now, how many chest leads in case of ECG? 6. You all know. Now next question, the cartilage present in the articular system the bone is the hyaline cartilage. Which of the following of the multinucleated giant cell? Osteoclast is the multinucleated giant cell. Next question, the perimysium is actually covers the muscle fascicles, not the fibers. Okay, next question, I am told that this tube test, and this is actually regarding to the bacteria. This will be the motile and non-motile bacteria is talking about. Okay. The cardiac statement of the bacterial growth curve is very easy. Lag, then log, उसके बाद stationary, उसके बाद decline. So this is the image which is very important. I tell in the lecture. So this is actually the flagellar staining or Lefisom staining. The A structure is actually the lacunae, and this is the actual image of the metaplasia or squamous metaplasia. This is the columnar cell. This is the squamous cell. This is the left side. This is the right side. So left to right squamous epithelium in the bronchial bronchus. Okay. This is actually squamous metaplasia. Structure A is actually the supraglenoid tubercle, and this structure A is actually the adhesive layer. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the image discussion. So this is actually the image where it is given in the quiz. This layer is actually the baking layer. This yellow part or the orange part is the drug reservoir, and this actually the drug permeable membrane, and this is actually the adhesive layer. Okay, now coming to this image actually, this white portion is the lacunae, the blue portion is the chondrocytes, and this actually the perichondrium. This is the structure of hyaline cartilage. Coming to the scapula, this is actually the supraglenoid tubercle, this is the glenoid fossa, and this is the infraglenoid tubercle. Coming to this image, this is actually most important image. This is the squamous metaplasia, this is the columnar cells, and this is the squamous metaplasia. This is the squamous cells. This is the columnar cells, and they are the squamous cells. This is the left to right side squamous metaplasia. And this actually image of the flagellar staining or Lefinson staining. Okay, now coming to the most interesting part of this video, the ranks. The top 5 ranks will be disclosed in this video. So they are actually Arpan Dotto, Shantanu Basu, they hold the first rank. Shantanu Sadhu, Sarthak Pal, Shagnik Saha, Debapriya Maiti, Monita Das, Orko Roy Chaudhary. Shantanu Sadhu and Sarthak Pal hold the second position. Shagnik Saha, Debapriya Maiti, Monita Rai, Orko Roy Chaudhary, they actually hold the third position. And Adrija Mal, Arpita Pal, Ankana Das, Safkiu, Supratim Das, they actually hold the fourth position. Trisha Bhattacharya, Maurim Haldar, and Sudarshani Multan, they hold the fifth position. And if you go through our website, in this website, there is the weekly quiz 2 will be held on the 14th June. Just 145 hours is to go, and those who are top rankers, their picture will be visible in this site. I'll provide the link below. Thank you so much for participating. All are good students. There is no offense, no discrimination, but sometimes you have to gather some knowledge, you have to gather some patience, and you have to be motivated. Thank you so much.